Survive the Quarantine with your host, Miss Stella Monica.
Hello, and welcome back to your favorite show, How to Survive the Quarantine, the series. I'm your host, Miss Stella Monica, and boy, do we have a show for you today. You know, the funny thing about being quarantined is that the weirdest things go viral. Like, who would have thought that throwing around toilet paper would be so entertaining? But here we are. So this week we are bringing you the Great North Middle School Toilet Paper Toss. So sit back, relax, and please be aware, no toilet paper was wasted in the filming of this video. Roll the tape, Tony. Enjoy.
Rolling, rolling on a river.
That was fun, and some teachers have some great tricks. Hey, do you want to be part of a future episode? If so, head over to North Middle School's homepage and click on the How to Survive the Quarantine post to find out some more information. But that's all the time we have left for today's show, so join us next week for another brand new episode. See you then. Bye!